Welcome everyone to my channel. We're about to finish the Amazing Peppa Pig Collection series. We are on book number 46. Let's see which book it is today. Grandad Dog's Garage. This is Grandad Dog's Garage. Beep beep. And here are Peppa and her family in their car.
What can we do for you today?
Asked Grandad Dog.
Petrol or air for tires?
No, thank you, replies Daddy Pig. Our tires have lots of air. How about trying a new automatic car wash? Asked Danny Dog.
No, thank you. I have just washed our car,
says Daddy Pig.
Just 2 ice lollies, please. Certainly,
says Grandad Dog. Grandad Dog's garage sells all sorts of things, even ice lollies. Wow! Peppa gets an orange ice lolly and George gets a strawberry one. Which one is your favorite, children? They giggle happily.
Are you sure you don't need petrol for your journey?
Asked Grandad Dog.
No, that will be all, replies Daddy Pig. Thank you.
He pays for the ice lollies and drives off. Daddy Pig doesn't get very far before the car stops. Grandad Dog spots that Daddy Pig needs help.
We are coming to the rescue,
he calls out. Grandad Dog takes a good look at the car.
You have run out of petrol,
says Grandad Dog.
I will tow you to my garage. There is plenty of petrol there.
Grandad Dog fills Peppa's car with petrol.
Thank you, Grandad Dog, says Daddy Pig. Now the car will go,
replies Grandad Dog smiling. Oh dear, now Susie Sheep's car has got a flat tire. Uh-oh, Mummy Sheep makes a phone call. To the rescue! Cried Danny and Grandad Dog again, jumping into their tow truck. Peppa hops in too. Hello, Susie, says Peppa. We have come to rescue you. Hooray! Cheer Susie and Mummy Sheep. Back at Grandad Dog's garage, Grandad Dog fills the flat tire with air. Now Granny and Grandpa Pig have arrived in their car.
Hello,
says Grandad Dog.
Here for petrol or air?
Neither, replies Grandpa Pig.
We want to try out your new automatic car wash.
Of course, says Grandad Dog. Grandad Dog's garage is always here to help. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. See you all next time with another Read Aloud. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.